Hi, I'm Mike from Scoutadelic, and how can you make a cool bug hotel? Find out. Hi, I'm Mike from Scoutadelic, and this month is all about the environment and getting out there and obviously helping out the wildlife and the wilderness and especially the insects. So today is another part of episode 66 with my co-host James. So we did 3 different types of bug house, and this one is really cool, and it can also work towards like a DIY badge as well. So here is what we got up to. So what are we going to be doing for our last bug hotel then?
So this one we're using a bit of man-made structure to help us here. Right. So this one we've got here, this is a piece of wood essentially that's been made specifically for birds. It's an old bird feeder, right. So you can use something like that. You can buy stuff like this very easily if you want to make something a bit more complex. So like I said, you can make it, and it can be as simple as just a wooden box, taking out those partitionings in there. You could just make a wooden box, you could get one, an old jewellery box or something. Or something a bit more specific like this, which is perfect with all the different sections.
Brilliant.
So, essentially this is really easy. We've gone and gathered a load of different materials here. So obviously we've got our bark, we've got different sized twigs, we've got leaves, we've got moss, we've got some smaller pine cones here. You could use grass, you could use anything that's around. Essentially, we're just going to put them into their different partitions, and that's going to create a habitat where we've got loads of different creatures that are like in their different spaces. So for example, our damp moss here, we can stuff in a couple of these smaller ones here. That's our wood lice and stuff we're going to like coming down here. And then pick something and pop them in wherever you feel, basically. So our pine cones like that, some of our larger insects might like coming into that. Likewise, we'll put some twigs and just obviously snap anything off to fit in where it's meant to go. And then put some leaves here at the top. And just compressing it down nicely.
You really want it to stay put, really, don't you?
Yeah, and this is going to be something that we're just going to leave somewhere safe, or you can even hang it up potentially. And yeah, so lots of different kinds of materials in there. And that was a very simple way of just going around and finding different materials to make a bug hotel. That's a lot more complex, and it has lots of different sections where our bugs can go. But that's way number 3. That's using something you might have made yourself and doing your DIY badge at the same time.
Indeed.
Or something you may just have lying around that you want to repurpose.
That's brilliant. Oh, great. Fantastic. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to obviously give it a thumbs up and share it around. Go on. It's simple. Just share it. Click on the share button and spread it around, because there are a lot of groups out there that might not be able or might not even think about doing something as simple as this. And consider subscribing. It means the world to me if you will. It's for free. Scroll down, click on the red subscribe button, and that's it. Thanks again. See you again soon for another one of these. Goodbye.